Walking through the streets of a city so old, where the stories unfold and the buildings stand tall, with a sense of unity that is hard to find in a world that's so blind. We can break down the walls. In the heart of this town, where the people reside, there's a spirit that can't hide. It's keeping us alive. With every smile and every helping hand, we are taking a stand. Together we will thrive.